Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, you are very welcome. My name is Patience. Welcome to my channel, and to all my returning subscribers, I want to say you are the best. Thank you for sticking around with me. And today I'm coming with another tutorial. Guys, this one is very unique. Join me to create this beautiful centerpiece that can be used for any event. This one is beautiful, it is very unique, it's very special. So guys, don't miss out on it. All right, let's go. For this project, we are going to be using these beautiful red roses. I already cut them to my desired length. This is what we are going to be using, and I love them because they have this little baby breath added to it. And we are going to also have our beautiful flower stand here. It's a tall flower stand which can be used for any design. And on this stand, I've added some pool noodles that I cut. I just tied them to the stand using some you either use rubber bands, or you can also use 260 balloons. That's what I use. So depending on what you're creating, just do it as desired. Okay guys, so that is it. Let us get to work, and let me show you how to create this beautiful piece. I have my little helper here. Hello mama, you're welcome to my channel. Say hi to my friends.
Hi.
Thank you. All right, so she's going to be assisting me today while I create this beautiful centerpiece. All right guys, so I'm just going to follow my pool noodles that I've already added, and I'm going to add my flowers. Now I want to add the greeneries because I want to hide my pool noodles. So for the base, I'll be going with the shortest ones, and then I add the greeneries as well. Princess, you don't have to cry even if it is not working, okay? You can also just add empty greeneries like this, because our goal is to hide that base. Okay? I'm already loving what I've achieved so far, so I'll just nice. All right, so let us move to the back. Should I move to the back or to the front? So after doing the base, let's walk right here, and then we'll come back here later on. Maybe I pull this right up, but I can leave it here. Let's just walk here and see what we get. Okay? So guys, this is what we have. I'm sorry, it's a one-man show. I'm recording and doing everything by myself, so it's kind of challenging, but hope you're seeing what I'm doing. Nice. So I have one more here, and should I put it here? Yeah, let me put it here because this one is already big enough. So I'm just going to make one smaller one like this size over here, and that will be it. carry my baby on my back. At the base, cover the pool noodles with some greeneries at the base. Let me show you the entire thing. Let me know what you think. Good. Alright guys, so this is what we have created. I'm so in love with it. I don't know about you. What do you think? Will you be trying this? Actually, it's supposed to be sideways like this. Okay. Right, so that is what our centerpiece looks like. It took us how many minutes? Altogether 25 minutes plus the time I used to take care of the baby to create this centerpiece, because some of my things were already pre-cut, like the flowers, and I already added my pool noodles to my stand, so that also reduced the amount of time that we've spent in putting this together. But again, it is very easy to make. I hope you loved it. Hope you were able to learn something from it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Share the video, because by sharing you could be helping someone out there. Thank you again for watching, and see you in the next one.